Usambut Menteri Rangba Khubor Ubadairu Bapet Yakatanat PWD Ba Preston Tensong Habakren Bikinong Thok Khubor Halor Khubor Kapulakot Banyakren Halor Surok National Highway Ulaythu Bakajing Teri Galaya Chat Bat Surok Haduh Pomlum in Lakban Pyndep Hapo Jong New Bnai Watla Kidadon Kijing Kibarit Baria Hakikat tu kat ni Kijaka Habedei bagi wei ulai thu gajing terai kalaya chakmat bat kalalong kabaya bet wat lagi don gijing habedei gajing hap jugi kendau bat katanat kalabetha iki company banle ya kabadon kam kat kum gajing betha jong pollution board habedei Surok shepenursla ulai thu sorkar kala aibor shaka SDO banlum ya gajing lang ban pej bakapisa kabalamang ban siu shikitrajaka kandei banyak bet ya renti Ulai thu ru bagi lekren halor ke Western Bypass ha kaba kani ke Surok ru kadi ban Pyndep no aus nem arjar arpun riu watla kala don kat tu kat ni ki jaka ki bahap ban pej bat barok lai teli ki package ki layat pej bat kala don ke jingkermen bakin la ban Pyndep kat kum kapor kaba ki labu
Mynta ke janmir sai sen pat ngalayo ban review ya ki project ki ba repair jongka root sector hapo ka jela Meghalaya jung barokoi hakabang yasdang nengkom ya ka Surok Shillong dauki kabadon kum malong Mynta kidon sau packages ka package 1 package 2 package 4 and package 5 te hakabidei bat kene ka progress of work kabang asuntanat ban Pyndep kolong ba kayat bet kayarti kamtam kumapilai ya kan ka package 1 ka target ka ba nakaliam joka NEHU rengkat pada kali ka company kya long committed ban Pyndep hapo kalai pui trik jong Bnai hapo kalai pui trik jong Desember ke ngidang update ya kata ti kalong ka ba sutunat ba lat kena hapo jong Bnai kin Pyndep ya kan ka package 1 Teka package 2 ka package 4 but ka package 5 katu ka target kalong Haduh next year December 2026 teka niru kalong smooth ka tray ka yadbet ka jing tray ka progress of work nang ta ka ba Haduh ka bede ka Shillong dauki ka don sa kanila package 3 kata ka bagi ong ka Pundusla bypass teka paskotanat kalong ba nakaliang jong ka Government of India lang ba ka NEHU kila ay sanction lu Mynta ya ka ba ya day bat kalan compensation ya kanika portion ka ba day ka package 3 jong kanika Pundusla bypass but Mynta ka sa haka jing penbiang nakaliang jong i DC revenue but SDO civil revenue hakte ya Pundusla bakin work out ya ke details baru kai kenang ba ultimately kilaman pelaj ya kalan compensation baru batik possession ya kalan kenang ba ninyo bat stang no ya Surok kata kadai ka berita ka benukong hak wede bat kanika Shillong dauki
ba kniat habede bat kanika yunai habede bat kanika pyong kanika ka bypass nopo Pundusla kanika total compensation ka jaka ka depoy ka dukat no ka poy
more or less ka poy ko around 95 crores
dan kena ko kada bansi ya ka bansa
ya kan
bansio be ki pay
yes 95 crores is the component of land compensation
Pyong ru mene habede bat kani pyong ya kanika fast phase ka bayat Mynta pyong bang Pyndep umta Desember te ka ai pada la kini lupa kam kala suki lupa ka ai pada ka kum katnat perlu di Mynta kan le lada kamla man Pyndep ka pol biang atu kan penalty len kan dagan no korkom
naturally namar bayi kanika ya kanika contract agreement is not done by the state government kam dei bale mangi kanika long bet ka contract agreement signed between NEHU and the company and then we are part of it, we are part of the share, the stakeholder. Jika ay kabang ngingi krensay sa Government of India, ka Ministry of Road Transport, jika ay national kalong ba, once you are committed means you have to comply to this. Kaya kata kabang on pi bagin fail, I don't think namar ba recently ngarong lalik ban ka inspection ngay iya ka progress of work but Mynta nakaliang u executive director job NHL u umthia dem su ban make sure ba kadi ko full is completed within this month
so with regard to that extending the length of the road to 12 meters. Is it from the existing size of the road? Or?
Yeah, this is the existing. No, not the existing. The existing is about maybe 7.5 meters. So we will widen it up to 12 meters. That is called ROW, up to 12 meters, and this 12 meters more or less is within the ROW, existing ROW, because that time the land compensation also has been already paid. So we have directed the deputy commissioner to get all those land documents right from Umyam up to Shillong.
So
Shillong.
Shillong, where exactly the road will be extended?
Up to somewhere up to Maulai, what do you call it? This up to no here only up to near Kongbanalari's showroom, up to that place.
How much the total project cost?
No, see the flyover will be as of today ended up to Anjali Junction, Anjali Pong. Okay, but ultimately when we put a little more request to the government of India for extension of the flyover, and they have already agreed in principle, and now even the land issue and then the design of the flyover is being worked out, being prepared by the NEHU, which will be disposed of to Bali. Oh, Mynta ke jingking ke badai hang the hapon main dam nakaliang jogi ke peludi ke construction work dari hangjai but ngapa ban pentip ba lakum no mengibu target ba kane ka bypass kane ka new bridge ke ba Mynta kadang ya chai ngin Pyndep ban ngin petrekam nadu bakut jong nu Bnai march arhajar apenrio kata ka bangam pentina but kane kan long ka bypass ba kini ki commercial vehicles lani ki loaded trucks kila banyai freely na ka to ka kanung don shu ka restriction hakawide ban ka hakakit ka ba joki hadin ba ni pentrekam ya kan ka letiai ka ba Thymmai.
Just one last thing. Many roads in Shillong city are also deteriorating following this long heavy rainfall season that we have.
See, in Shillong City, we have just issued the work order again for recarpeting of the road here in Shillong, and this cost about 45 crores. Okay, so the work will start soon for recarpeting, and I'm very sure once that is completed, we will see that Shillong City is again more brighter than